back of the building, restoring this molding because it's a landmark building. So we'll get it back to the original state of over 100 years ago. So this is red oak, which was the material that they used at the time, 3-inch. So we're trying again to bring it back to its original beauty of over 100 years ago. So when I first came here about 2 years ago, this was Ernest's studio, and there was an easel here, all kinds of artwork sitting here, and his old artwork here. So he was a really important part of the Harlem Renaissance. So Ernest is well known in the area. Everyone called him Ernie. All the neighbors remember him really well. So this is a special room, I think, in this historic building. The other side of the attic level is more of a playroom, could be storage, but I think cool spot for kids with an added bonus of a full bathroom, shower, vanity, bright with a window going out to the shaftway for the skylight.